Hello everyone, I would like to present to you my application. I created XIZ 2 years ago, and in that time I developed a new application. This is the new application and this is the old one. Here is my old logo and it's like a rocket. It means I want to build a fast admin, and let's try to see how XIZ look. Let's log into it. Okay, this is the dashboard, and XIZ can manage any type of resource. For example, let's see the grid. The grid is the main focus on my admin. It can do anything. You can manage, for example, blogs, e-commerce websites, applications, or restaurants, or any type of data and fields. It's really simple to use, and that's the most important thing. It's really to use, easy to build as a programmer, and it has everything from the start, from the beginning. You don't need to create or make another things because they are already here. You can manage a resource, you can edit anything, and it's really simple to usage. You have an image file manager, or you can have already roles to admins. So for example, you can have admins that can create posts, but they can't upload images. For example, it's just an example. Okay, that admin, it's great, but I want to improve it a lot, and I create a new version. So this is my new version that has everything better. You see how fast it is. This is my example of a grid. The grid is the main focus on XIZ. Look at this. We can show images, names with colors, entire row with a color. Think about an e-commerce website and an e-commerce application. We have to know if a product is out of stock or will be out of stock soon. So we can manage everything, and you have a lot of features like filters. Okay, think about every application may have filters, but look how XIZ manage the filters. It doesn't look great because I don't finish yet, but you can search a name with the equal. For example, I want to search for exact match. It's an exact match, or the name must be like a value, or the string must be equal with the length of the string. You can have a lot of options for the filters, like a date. You can search for between. It's easy to set a date. It's easy to set everything here. And of course, the filters are very important when you need to find a specific product, for example, or a specific blog post or anything. It's really great to have good filters on your admin. The filters are really great, and I hope you like it because they are really smart. Another thing is the grid system. This is a resource. Okay, a resource can have multiple fields, or think about like an entity. This is a grid that can manage resource. So when you have a blog, for example, or a product, maybe a product it's a better example, because a product can be a bundle of the products. And for example, I want to manage in this bundle, I want to manage all other products. So I can have the subgrids. That's a really great idea. And you see, for example, test 1, it's a bundle of the products, and sublevel 1, it's a product of the bundle test 1. So you can have subgrids in a grid. and so on. That's a really great idea in my opinion. We can hide some columns to have a better understanding of your grid. It's work fast, it's almost instant with a lot of data, and of course you can create new items. It has a really nice image uploader with the CDN, so you can upload image not only on your server but also to the other servers. So you can edit the image, you can have a lot of things everywhere. You can have a SEO, but you have also the tabs to manage really better all the fields. So let's go to the listing. I mean, listing, it's the grid, it's the main grid. So you can also edit. Let's go to the edit, and so on. You already have the fields. It's not finished yet. I have a lot of improvements. For example, I want to make inline edit, so that is just another idea. I want to have a security, more security rules, and I want to have a lot of new features like rules for an admin to be able to manage also the fields, not only the rules on the security side. For example, I can edit all the fields here, but another admin can edit only the name, for example, or I don't know, everything that is possible. You have too many options to present you all, but I hope you got an idea of my project. I hope you got the main why I create this, because I don't find any admin with so many options, and they are already here. You don't need to create them, they are already here, and it's really easy to extend anything. So my main purpose is to create a super fast admin that can work with any type of application and to make life easier for everyone. I hope you like it, and if you think that project can have a future, please sustain this project. Thank you.